Third grade, we are at the end of chapter 5 in English, our chapter on action verbs. So before we do the chapter review, I wanted to give you some things to remember as you're doing this. First of all, the entire chapter was about verbs and an action verb. Can you tell me what an action verb does? Yes, it shows action. So if you look at the sentence here that I have, Adam eats pizza. So what is Adam doing? He eats. So eats would be our verb and would be underlined twice. And then what would be the subject? Who or what is the sentence about? It is about Adam. So Adam would be our subject. Eats would be our action verb. And remember, I did tell you that usually the subject and the verb are next to each other. Okay, so that's a little hint and a reminder. Then we talked about the three tenses or times that a verb can show. We talked about a present tense verb, which means it's happening now. The batter hit the ball. Okay, then we talked about past tense, means it already happened in the past. And then we talked about future tense, meaning that it will happen in the future. And remember, a future tense verb always has the word will. So if it's a future tense verb, it might say something like the batter will play a game tomorrow. So will play would be what we call the complete verb. Future tense verbs always have to have the word will in front of it. Okay? Then what does it mean when it tells you underline the complete verb? There was some confusion on this yesterday. So let's revisit this. So when we're underlining a complete verb, we read the sentence, we find the action verb, then we back up and look for a helping verb. And we all know our helping verbs. If we need to, we can go back and find that little song and sing it again. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. Those words, those are all helping verbs. So you find the action verb, you back up, you look for the helping verb. If there is a helping verb, that becomes part of the verb. And that's what it means when it's talking about the complete verb. So a complete verb would be a helping verb plus an action verb. Like our sentence here, we are eating vegetable soup for dinner. Eating is the action verb. I back up. Oh, there it is. There is a helping verb are. So are eating would be the what we would call the complete verb. Okay, so now I want you to go in your English packet, complete pages 93 and 94, and then I'm going to post those answers in the next slide. Check those pages with your red pen, and then whatever you miss, go back through your packet, review that, and then tomorrow will be our English Chapter 5 test. So go back through your packet, make sure you understand. I think you have down action verbs. Some of you did very well on the helping verb test. Some of you really need to get those memorized. So review your helping verbs sheet, because when test time comes, you cannot use those sheets to help you. You have to have it memorized and be able to pick it out in a sentence. All right, so I will get off here and let you complete your 2 English pages. Have a great day.